wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm not like, my face isn't in this video, which is super weird, but I'm doing an unboxing. As you guys can see, I just got the Huawei P30 Pro. I just upgraded. I'm gonna do maybe a review on this phone. I use my phone for vlogging specifically. I was going to purchase a vlogging camera. I was gonna get the Canon G7X like everyone else has, but I feel like a phone is just more practical for me, especially in the environment that I live in. I don't live in a place where a lot of people vlog or anything like that, so I figured the phones are just more practical. They're small, they're portable. I will never forget to bring it with me, and the camera on this one, I watched a few videos and it's definitely comparable to the Canon G7X. So this is the Huawei P30 Pro. This is all the stuff it comes with. So yeah, that's what the back looks like. I just couldn't pass up the deal that I got on this, so I felt the need to get it. I have no idea where my knife is. Okay, let's ignore my hand. I just did a makeup video and I was swatching things, so I have blush on the back of my hand. Let's just ignore that. So, oh my gosh. I actually got this almost a week ago now, and I haven't unboxed it because I wanted to do this video. Not only did I want to do this video, but I also wanted to get my case in the mail, and I still haven't got it. So that might be an issue for me because I'm kind of scared to, you know, ruin this phone basically. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually looking through it. I'm actually looking at it from the viewfinder. If you guys can't tell from the side, I got the color Breathing Crystal. So this is what the back looks like. I, again, don't have a case for it at the moment, but again, I don't have a case for this at the moment, so I'm gonna kind of try to keep maybe the front part of this on, but I do want to show you guys what the phone looks like if I can. Wow, it's so pretty. So that's the color. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. So that is the color Breathing Crystal. If you guys can see, it's so pretty. It's definitely like a crystal color. It's blue, lavendery color. It's gorgeous. I don't want to completely take this off because I don't have a case for it at the moment, but that's what it looks like. I'm covering the barcode because I'm pretty sure I forgot to do that in my Samsung video, and I ended up having to edit it after to cover the barcode. I don't want anybody hacking me, you know? But that's what my phone looks like. Yeah, you guys can see all the colors in there. It's so pretty. How do you guys turn this on? Is it just like the Samsung? Okay. There it is starting up. I've never had a Huawei phone before, so this is going to be something new, but I'm used to using Android. Who actually ever reads this stuff? I don't. Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my new phone. I'm going to be doing like a little bit of a like why I got this phone. So I did an unboxing in the beginning of this video, but I just wanted to quickly talk about it and all of that stuff. Give you guys my first impressions on this phone. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you want to. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And no, I'm not a phone reviewing channel. I'm not a tech channel by any means. The only other tech video that I uploaded was unboxing my Samsung S9 Plus when it first came out. This phone, on the other hand, did not just come out, so it's nothing new to the market, but I did want to talk about it. So, and I want to talk about why I upgraded in the first place. I did have the Samsung S9 Plus, which is almost 2 years old. It was a year and 10 months since it came out, since I got it, and I used that phone for all of my vlogs. All of my vlogs from 2018, 2019, and the first vlog that you guys are going to be seeing for 2020, that was all filmed on my S9 Plus. But honestly, I just wanted a better camera. So I actually considered purchasing the Canon G7X Mark III. I ended up randomly on YouTube just looking at camera reviews, looking at that specific camera and reviews on it, and there was a video comparing it to this phone as well as the new iPhone, I think we're like 11 something, the one with the 3 cameras as well. This one also has 3 cameras, but the iPhone also has 3 cameras. I'm not an iPhone girl. I never have been an iPhone girl. I think I've only had one iPhone, and I feel like the whole interface and the software and everything is the exact same, like how many years later, you know? I'm not hating on anyone that likes iPhones. Most people I know have iPhones. For me personally, it's just not for me. I watched a video comparing the Canon G7X to the iPhone and to this phone. The videos and the photos were a little bit better on the G7X, of course, because, you know, it has a bigger lens and everything, but the videos and the way it filmed, the overall video quality was pretty much the exact same, but the phones were actually a little bit better. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to just get a new phone, because at the time when I did get my S9 Plus, it was pretty much one of the best cameras on the market, one of the best cameras. So around that time that it came out, the Google Pixel, I think it was a 3 or maybe it was a 2. Whatever Google Pixel phone was out back then had an awesome camera as well, and the Huawei P30 Pro / P20. So back then, those were like the top cameras. But having my Samsung S9 Plus for the year and 10 months that I've had it, I've just noticed some stuff about the camera, especially doing YouTube videos and vlogging with it. I noticed stuff that I didn't like, and I don't know if this is just me being nitpicky, but really the reason why I got this phone was for the camera for the most part, is because I want my vlogs to be better. I want my content to be better. I also live in a place where not a lot of people vlog. Like, it's not really acceptable to go into a store with a camera on a tripod and vlog. I know it's like that in LA, you can do that anywhere, but here specifically, not a lot of people vlog. So it's really awkward going into places, you know, with a camera and stuff like that. And I considered it, I did, but knowing that this phone records the exact same as the G7X, if not a little bit better, because it does record in 4K, which is awesome. Whenever I render my videos, upload them onto iMovie and edit them and etc., all that stuff, it makes the video quality go down. I already know that. It kind of sucks. And when I upload it, it's obviously not going to be uploaded in 4K. It's going to be either 1080p or 720, which really sucks, but for the most part, most of my vlogs are in 720. So I just wanted better. Like, I wanted a better camera. I'm very nitpicky about that stuff. So again, a phone was just more practical for me. Cameras are something that you can easily forget at home. You planned your day ahead and you're like, I'm gonna vlog today, and then you're like, shoot, I don't even have my camera. So a phone is something that you have with you all the time. It's small and discreet. You can use it for filming, and it's just an all-in-one. Like, you can use it for social media, you can use it to take pictures for your Instagram, you can use it to record videos, etc. So I just thought this was a better investment for me personally, instead of getting the Canon G7X. So like I said, I'm very nitpicky about my cameras. So the Samsung S9 Plus, the camera on that phone, again, at the time that I got it, it was supposedly one of the best cameras out there. There are things that I just didn't like. So number one is when I would be recording, the audio was just so quiet. It's almost like I needed an external mic. It's definitely that I needed an external mic for that phone. Like, it was just always quiet, and I would have, when I would edit my videos in iMovie, I would always have to turn up the volume, which again is not a huge deal, but it's kind of annoying. The contrast, like the colors and the vividness of the colors around me when I'm filming, it just wasn't great. I always had to fix that in iMovie. I always had to enhance the colors, make things brighter. Shouldn't really have to do, you know, if you were recording with the DSLR, if you were recording with the Canon G7X, that's not something that you would really have to worry about, but that's something that I always would have to fix. The front camera honestly wasn't that great. Whenever I would film videos in my car and I would do, or like selfie mode or whatever, I would film myself, the background was just always really blurry and washed out, really faded. And again, if you were filming on a DSLR or any of that, you wouldn't have that issue. You wouldn't have to worry about that. So again, I would always be in iMovie constantly just like fixing the contrast, fixing the lighting, making things brighter. And yeah, so those are the things I did not like about that phone and that camera in particular. So this one, so far so good. I'm still waiting for a camera protector. I ordered like a tempered glass thing for it because I just don't want it. Already has like a finger smudge there. I just don't like that, and I don't like having to like clean it all the time. I did use this yesterday when I was out just vlogging food and everything, and the quality, oh my gosh, it's so much better. I can't wait to start vlogging with this phone. It's gonna be awesome. Also, it's really pretty. Like it fades from a baby blue to a lavender. So that's pretty much it for my video slash unboxing of the Huawei P30 Pro. This phone is actually banned in the States, which I find kind of a little bit crazy, but you can always get it on eBay if you live in the States and you really want this phone. To end off this video, I'm gonna actually show you guys a couple video clips that I took of this phone versus my Samsung, and then you guys can see for yourself which one is better. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye everyone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.